Alright, back for the second box. 2012 Chrome. Two box break here. Alright, good luck everybody. Second box, last one for this break. Kuechly, rookie. Tommy Streeter. JD. For the Falcons, Peter Kantz, refractor. Agnew. Blunt. Oh, they put it as the second one. Got a Robert Turbin for Seattle. Ryan Matthews. Wow, so they both came in the second pack we opened from each box. This is a base Robert Turbin auto from Chrome. Smooth, I believe, with the Seahawks. Congrats on that. Not a huge name. I think Turbin's a good investment player for later on. Ganaway for the Jets. CJ Graham. Hightower, AP. Stephen Hill. MJD. Brini. Troy Polamalu. Pink, numbered to 399 for the Steelers. Nice. Marlo, shut up. Shea McClellan. For the Bills, got a Jim Kelly. Not numbered. Fitz and Cutler. Lichi Asameli. Not an auto, but RG3. Big C, you had the Steelers. Give it to Big Mo. All right, man. He'll appreciate that most definitely. Well, Jackson and Stafford. All right, Rob, take it easy, man. Yeah, hopefully this last one. We're almost there. Broyles. Harrison Smith. Stephen Hill. Andre Johnson. That kind of quick. Yeah, no, right. Can't win them all. Win a lot of them. Can't get them all, I guess. Casey Hayward. Alright, thanks, Rob. Jarrell Robinson. Clay Matthews. Factor Stevie Johnson for the Bills. Alright, Percy Harvin. JPP. Brandon Thompson. Isaiah Pede for the Rams. Cam Johnson, Michael Brockers, Marco Murray, refractor, and Aaron Rodgers. Markel Martin, Nick Toon, Nick Perry, AJ Green. What's up all day? Bernard Pierce, Jonathan Martin, Debo, and AJ Jenkins. Tavon Wilson, Antonio Allen, Stephen Gilmore, and Palomalu. Gilmore was a refractor. Oh, the email about the, was it about the black break? Quentin Copels. Trying to get that one filled. Still got about 8 spots to go, roughly. Jared Allen. Clay Matthews, refractor. And Chris Rainey. Copels. Kendall Wright. Eli. McFadden. Tavon Wilson, camo 499, Patriots. Doug Martin, TJ Graham, Michael James, refractor, and Phillip Rivers. Mohamed Sanu, Matt Khalil, Doug Baldwin, not a refractor, I guess, and Vincent Jackson. So no refractors in that pack. All base. Mike Adams, Marshawn, Hasselbeck, blue, Antonio Gates for the Chargers. It's not bad. 199, 21 of 199, Antonio Gates. Chrome is coming to an end. 6 packs to go, fellas. Russell Wilson, Chris Givens, Flacco, Stevie Johnson. Isaiah Pede, Chandler Jones, Ruben Randall, DeMarco. Jordan White. Stephen Hill. John Baldwin. Reggie Wayne. Hendricks. Prism. George Iloka. Bengals. 216. 203 at 216. Got Peyton base and Josh Cribbs. 2 packs left on Chrome. Travis Benjamin. George Iloka. D.Y. Hilton, rookie refractor. Ray Rice. Last pack of Chrome. Last pack of Chrome. Yeah, Clay, you must have missed it. It was Turbin, actually. Was our auto from this one. Maybe we'll get lucky. I have yet to see 2 autos in a box, but who knows. Marvin Jones. 40 Glenn. Gronk. Last card. Joe Flacco. Refractor for the Ravens. There was our Chrome 2 boxer. 2 major, unfortunately.